This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, and thanks for watching. Today I'm in the studio talking with Rob Burton, Vice President of Crawford Door Systems. Always good to see you, Rob.
Thanks. Appreciate being here.
Let's talk a little bit about some of the storm protection products that you offer at Crawford Door Systems.
Sure. We handle pretty much everything under the sun when it comes to hurricane protection, from removable panels that are fairly low cost all the way up through rolling shutters that are motorized, and pretty much anything in between. You could have Bahamas Colonials that look really good on the home, and also accordion shutters.
And what if a homeowner is interested? What's the process?
We offer a free inspection just to come out and take a look at the home and see what's going to fit best and where. But if a customer would like to actually come in and take a look at things, we have a showroom where they can come take a look at the products.
And when would you say is the best time for someone to go through this process and get these products?
You know, as we're moving out of hurricane season into the off season, it's really best to go ahead and start the process then. It is taking some time to get the products in, so the faster that you can get that process started, the quicker we can have you storm ready.
And I know that some of those products you can do access remotely, right?
Correct. There is an app that you can put on your phone if you have a motorized shutter that you'd be able to operate it remotely.
All right, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
To learn more about these products and others, check out their website at crawforddoorsystems.com.
This has been a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.